In this video, let me show you the way that you can create an account of Tidal. Tidal is a music streaming platform where you can listen up your favorite songs from all of your favorite artists. So in order for you to create an account of Tidal, either you can use the mobile app or use the website as well. For this video, I'm just going to use a web browser and visit the website of Tidal. Search for Tidal.com on a web browser and it is going to take you to the official website. In order to create an account, you will be able to see the option called create a free account on the top right of the screen. You can just click on this button and then you'll have a few options of creating your account. Either you can use your email address, your Google account or your Apple ID as well in order to create an account. For this video, I'm just going to use my Google account. If you're trying to use your email, in the next step is going to ask you to create a password. If you choose your Google account like me, you'll skip the password creation process and straight away it will take you to the section where you need to select your date of birth, agree to the terms and service and check both of these options and then click on sign up. And there you go, as easy as that. Your account of Tidal now has been created. You can use the same credentials or use your Google account to log into the mobile app as well. You can start streaming your favorite songs by searching up on the search bar on the top. So that's all there is for this video. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share and also give this video a thumbs up.